what's happening? Are you guys laughing watching me tumble like that? But hey, do you know what just happened?
Oh, there we go again.
Well, this is nothing but an earthquake, a small one although. Are you confused? What am I talking about? Come, let me tell you about earthquakes today. Each one of those puzzle pieces are known as tectonic plates. So, whenever those plates hit, bump, or slide past another plate, an earthquake occurs.
There you go.
Do you know the surface of the earth is just like a jigsaw puzzle? Yes, you heard it right. It's not a single piece of land, but approximately 20 pieces of a puzzle that constantly move. You don't feel those movements because they move quite slowly. The surface where plates slip is called the fault or the fault plane. So, now the question arises, when does it happen? Well, it happens all the time.
Wait.
Don't be scared after listening this. Most of the times we don't feel the quakes as they are too small to reach us. But sometimes they are so strong that they can be felt over 1,000 miles away. The place where the earthquake originates is called the hypocenter, and the place where it occurs on the earth's surface is called the epicenter. So, what we conclude through this video is that earthquakes are nothing but the shaking, rolling, or a sudden shock of the earth's surface. There are three types of earthquakes. Those are convergent boundary, divergent boundary, transform fault.
If you wish to learn about them in details, then stay connected with us until our next video.